Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and network. Plug in Chromecast and set the TV to its input. Once done, make sure your phone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi network because casting requires that local connection. Next, open the Disney Plus app and sign into your account. You need an active subscription. After you launch the app, look for the cast icon in the top right. This is the control that will let you send video to the TV. Now tap the cast icon and pick your Chromecast from the device list, because selecting the correct receiver sends the stream to your TV. Once connected, choose a title and press play. The video will load on the big screen while your phone becomes the remote. While streaming, you can change playback position, toggle subtitles, or adjust volume directly from your phone, so you control what plays without interrupting the TV. If you switch apps, the cast session continues in the background. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting, or simply close the Disney Plus app. That ends the session cleanly. If playback stutters or disconnects, reboot the Chromecast and, if necessary, your router. This clears most network hiccups. Make sure the phone stays on the same Wi-Fi and move it closer to the router to reduce interference. If problems persist, restart the app and, as a last step, reboot your phone. That usually resolves stubborn casting issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.